cell culture has traditionally been a manual process highly reliant on lab personnel, but it is time-consuming, difficult for non-experts, and prone to human error. Cells grow over extended period of time, and their growth rate is measured by confluency, which indicate the total percentage of cells within a sample. Ideally, 80% confluency is targeted for optimized and continuous cell reproduction. Therefore, lab personnel have to visit the cell culture and monitor the cells regularly to make sure that the confluency does not exceed the limits or the cells will die. If a single sample is observed by multiple lab employees, each will have a different prediction of cell confluency. As a result, the cell culture process will go through the distinct periods of times, resulting in varying production quantities. In comparison, our initiative could provide constant monitoring of cell culture and consistent measurement of cell confluency, resulting in consistent production quantities. Therefore, we are in need to automate sample analysis and handling during cell culture monitoring through the implementation of AIoT for minimizing time consumption for cell culture process and reducing user bias of cell confluency measurements. The solution can also allow the user to focus more on work that advance their expertise.
Therefore, we propose a multi-scale unit to segment fibroblast cell images at varying magnifications ×4, ×10, and ×20. To handle high-resolution images on specific hardware, a patch-based segmentation approach was also employed. The segmentation model demonstrated significant performance across multiple magnifications visually and statistically, achieving an average IOU of 0.707, precision of 0.787, and recall of 0.852. For practical deployment, we successfully integrated the model into a Raspberry Pi, leveraging the power of the Intel Neural Compute Stick under the OpenVINO framework. These optimizations allow the model to segment a cell image in less than 10 seconds, ensuring real-time efficiency on an edge device. The utilizations of Raspberry Pi offers possibility for automation in cell culture handling, where the model could potentially work in conjunction with a robotic arm. Furthermore, these systems can also be integrated with wireless communication, allowing end users to remotely monitor the process through their mobile phones.
Our solution focuses on developing new systems with lower production costs, small scale and portable, remote monitoring and handling. Our solution is designed to adapt general laboratory settings where it is easier to purchase for urgent and rapid experimentation, able to integrate with existing laboratory equipment, able to monitor and authorize using personal mobile devices. To achieve the objective, the proposed system will be equipped with number 1, automated cell analysis for confluency segmentation. Number 2, remote monitoring of cell culture condition using mobile internet devices. Two types of data will be shared, which are cell culture environment, including temperature, humidity, light, and exposure. Second data is the segmented cell confluency data, including the images. Number 3, remote sample handling with user permissions. This is the example of mobile interface for the solutions. Cell culture is used extensively in scientific laboratories for a variety of applications in healthcare, such as pharmaceuticals, medicines, transplants, and many more. By implementing the proposed solution, it can support development of healthcare applications and products and reduce burden on lab personnel on mundane work, leading to both higher production quantity and value.